Hello friends, welcome to my lectures on theory of automata and computation. Today we are going to discuss the topic FA to Moore machine conversion. Fine. So we can convert a given finite automata to a Moore machine by simply following two steps. First one is by introducing output alphabet, that is O dash, and the second one by defining a lambda. We will define lambda is equals to 1 if capital Q belongs to F, and lambda will be 0 if state does not belongs to F. Clear? So what does it means? That the output we will define 1 for the state if that state is a final state. We will define output 0 for the state if that state is not at all a final state. Clear? So we will draw first of all the format of a Moore machine: present state, next state, and the output. In this case we will be having the input 0 and 1, all the states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and then we will copy the transitions from the given finite automata. So it will be Q2, Q3, Q0, Q1, Q1, Q0, Q3, Q3. Fine. Now the only thing over here is that we need to write the output over here. So in this case, as we see that Q0 is the final state, so we will write 1 in the output column. Q2 is the final state, so we will write 1 in the output column. Q1 and Q3 are not final states, so we will write zeros in the column. Fine. We are just following the given function that lambda at any state can be defined by two things, that is 1 and 0. We will write 1 for a state if that one is the final state. We will write 0 if that is a non-final state. Fine. So this is the converted Moore machine for the given FA. One more thing, that we will not draw the final state over here because Moore machine and Milli machine do not have any final state. They just have the initial state, set of state, input alphabets, output alphabets, delta and the lambda. Clear? Now the next is the conversion of FA to Milli machine. There is no such direct conversion. For such conversions, what we'll do? We will first of all do FA to Moore, then Moore to Milli. Clear? Now the inverse conversion. How we will do the inverse conversion? Moore to FA. For the inverse conversion, for example, if I have to convert this Moore machine to the FA machine, what I will do? I will mark the states as the final states, those which will have the output 1. So Q0 and Q2 will become the final state, and we will delete this column, and the remaining will be the FA. Similarly, how we will convert the Milli to FA? First step is convert Milli to Moore and then convert that Moore machine to the FA. Yeah. So this is all about conversion of FA to Moore and its inverse. It is very simple and very easy to go. Thank you for watching this video.